And remember, tracks are for trains, not for playing games.
Did you do the math?
Too hard.
Wait up, guys! We can beat it!
Wait!
Go back!
Dude, stop!
The gates are coming down!
This is fun!
You're
Yeah!
gonna get killed!
I can do this!
You're in trouble, man.
Oh!
Jules, are you okay?
Are you okay, man?
That hurt!
Board's trashed.
Dude, you should have waited at the gate.
I know. Next time, I will.
Cool ride.
Sweet ride.